Alright, we got a 2004 early 2003 style engine, 121,000 miles, no start hot. Good base engine oil pressure. I'm going to show you a before fix. I want to view data. We're going to want to watch the Thickem supply voltage, Thickem sink, Thickem injection power, and from the ignition switch. We're also going to want to watch ICP desired and actual, and we want to see how hard the injection pressure regulator is working to cover up the leak. Alright, you see that? Wait 1 second. Alright, we're about 100 psi off from injection control pressure to the desired pressure. And you can see the IPR is working as hard as it can. It's almost completely closed to try and overcome this leak. I'm going to give it some throttle and you'll watch the pressure comes up. Lets me know that the pump is fairly good. We're going to go ahead and shut it off and see what happens. Vehicle's off. Go ahead and crank. Won't build above 170. Check to see I have low pressure oil. So there's a leak in the high pressure system.